Alright, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you in Dynasty we have one of our LS3 376 cubic inch 550 horsepower engine combos. This thing came out absolutely awesome looking. Customer asked us to paint it the custom brilliant red with the shiny intake on there and a set of polished valve covers, which I really think accents this motor nicely. He's going to be installing this thing into a 58 Apache, which should run really well. Now, if you're interested in having one of these motors built for your vehicle, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over to Dynaron.
What's up,